Hello guys, welcome back for a new video on my channel. In this video, I will be guiding you how to make a beautiful filtered search data table using JavaScript. So you can see on your screen, this is a demo video of this today's session. So you can see here, this is a beautiful table where you have actions to be performed, print, edit, and delete. Fine. So this is just design. So now you can search by name, by type your the name based on the keyword that you are typing in. The table is being searched, auto filtered. So like that you can search another name, Alex. If you search a name which is not there, it's not coming. So you can see you have a header on the top, T heading. This is a two footer at the same time. These are the body, the table body. So let's get started without delay. So this is our HTML table, guys. HTML. This is our HTML code, guys. I have just written in advance few things. I am going to write a few of the tables right now to so you will be understanding how to develop a body of the tables in case you don't know. So let's start here. So you can see here in the table I have used the table, the ID of the table I have given my tables, and border just put 1. I may change the border later on. As you can see, table have a T head, means it's a for header, and I'm creating in the table heading, we are creating row and we are putting th in the all those headers. Now you can see we have a table body. In the table body we are going to put all the data. So first we are getting tr. In the tr we are going to write like a serial number 1. Okay, sorry, tr. In this tr we are going to create a different table. Sorry, so we are going td1, another td called the Kundan. Then we can say another td here like this. Here all the what is the direct number, so 230001 something we can put random. Doesn't matter, you can put anything that you want here. This is just for demo. I can put the course like a the computer engineering, simply like this. Then actions. In the actions, sorry guys, not td. In the action we have different actions. So you can see here, you can see in the video that in the action you have different kind of action like a print, edit, and delete. These are icons. Let me run this code first and show you how it looks alike. So when you run, guys, this code, this is the only one coming. You can see on the screen, this will come action is an empty. So we are going to include those are things that we have seen here. We are going to include these icons here. So what we need to do, guys, we need to go to the Google and search glyph icons, or you can also send the icons font awesome. Font awesome also you can search on the Google. So once you search, you can click on the first one, it will be taken over there. You can see the bootstrap glyph icons is there. Different kind of icons are there. You can see in this side different kind of icons are there. These are not pictures, guys, these are icons, kind of fonts. Using this one is a very good, because if you use the images and uploading on the website, I know downloading visiting the website can take a long time. So these icons are highly recommended to use in your website, because loading this one takes time. So you can see we have a edit one. You can see here edit ones like that. You can search by searching like a edit, and you can do it here. When you go try it, you will get it here. Code is there. So what you need to do, just you need to copy this code here. You can copy this code, this line only, because I'm not going to use the JavaScript, I'm going to use only CSS. So you can copy this line. Let me copy. You can copy this line. This line you can copy only the link which is a bootstrap, this line, and you can copy this. You can see this is we have it, and you can paste it here. You can paste it here, but don't worry, guys, include this link to in my this video with descriptions. You can copy from there and paste it. This CSS, you can see this is CSS. Bootstrap CSS has been linked, which is externals. So you need practicing this one. You need to have internet. You have a print. So for print, for include the print icons, we have a class defined. You can see this class. So I'm going to copy this class. So I'm going to include here like a anchor. So a anchor, within a anchor I'm going to include, you can see in the content of the icon anchor, I'm going to put icon. So we can write I and a span is a two recommended, the tag in the HTML which is used for the including the icon. So I will go for I for icon. So in the icon you can see I have put it icon. So what if we have to, so I'm going to make this icon as a class as this one. So I'm going to copy that class name which is here. I can show you this one, only this one to include the prints. So I can copy this one here, copy this, and I can paste it here. I can make this one as a class. Fine guys, so what I mean to say here, this class, sorry, this is a class, this is a class, there's a two classes there. One is called the glyph icon and one is called the glyph icon print, for the print icon. So this class is already predefined under this CSS, so we are not bothered about how CSS was written, just we are bothered about what class we need to use to include those icons. Okay guys, so I have included like that. I can do for others, I can copy paste, and I remember the name of those icons, so copy and make it here like a print, here make it edit. This class is already written, then again paste and make it here as a trash is a glyphicon hyphen trash. When we refresh here, make sure you have internet. You can see here on the top, you can see here the print, edit and delete has appeared. So now what we are going to do, we are going to copy paste this tr. So we are going to copy paste tr. So you also copy and paste and make a changes, make changes like any name that you can do it. No need to follow this one, just you can type copy paste, you can forward the video. But I'd like to request you to watch my full video to understand well. Alex also computer engineering, I don't change this one because this is everywhere, you need to use the same icon. What you need to do, just you need to put the here hyper reference when you are going to link the external files to delete, print and something. Let me copy paste again for this, and then for go 3. So I have done for 3. You can increase as many as you want. Let me write here just like 3, and that's it. So let me, so you can see 3 records has come here. If you want to have the same as a footer, you can do it as well. So we can go there, just copy this header, just no need to just copy this header, ts up to ts, then go very down after, see where I am after this t body closed, go there and before table, and this is not header guys, this is a t foot. You can see this is a tag for t footer, table footer, close it, and when you run this one, you can see the down is also included. What is the use of this one? When you have a big lots of records and you have a scrolled up, and a scroll down, so you need to see the bottom also, what is the headings. That's the main use of the footer and header here right now. So guys, you can add, include, you can populate as many as data you want here, as many as data, copy paste just to populate data. So I can also do it. So this is a code so far we have seen, you can see, right? So now we are going to beautify this one. Okay, beautify this table link, css file, write a style dot. So what I'm going to do here right now, I'm going to work with this table because I'm going to beautify this table. So let us go copy this table. This is selector, so I'm writing table selector, and if I want to cover this this table to the whole body, so we can do 100%. Let us go there and refresh it. You can see this table is capturing the whole whole tables here like now. Sometimes you can see the icon does not appear guys, so sometimes you refresh, you keep refreshing, your icon will come. Dot collapse here, we can say collapse and see what happens here. Sometimes it's already, you can see now it's looking better. Because what is the use of the border collapse? When you have a border 1 and 2, something like a border of the table, the around the cell there is 2 lines, so you want to collapse it, so that's a better. Let's go there and we target out the th. This is a th, so we can make this one, this selector th. So we are going to table header, go and make different font size, height. So let me increase the height of column, let me make it like a 50 pixels. So you can see the this is your header th, this is a header. So we are going to make this here height of 50. You can see become both footer height because that is also th, and this also become become the height. Let's go there and make it here more like a font size, and make it font size like a 25 pixels. Font family like a mono space, you can search more and you can put different one of your choice. Text alignment is in the center, and you can put it let us go and check this much only. So you can see here is a font space, font family is a monospaced. Size, size of the font also increase, and it is in center of the cell. You can see this is center of the cell of the table, this is a cell of the table, it is in center. No background color green. Okay, it's green, fine. You can make a font color white, so you can put the color font color as a white, you can put color as a white. You can see, fine guys, so we have done it here. It is where the actually your table body is there. So line, we are going to work on that. So TD, so let us put the TD and put the TD height as well, is around 50 pixels. You can see this one, this size will increase. So let us go refresh, you can see run it. Let us go and increase more, put the text alignment, up to you guys. If you don't want, don't put tail. Depends on the design that you are looking for. So you can see center, it's now in center, fine, looks better. Common, so I'm using the group selector TD and TH and TD, which is a common for both. So I can see here the padding, padding around the content and the border. Here we can see pixel, so you can see the padding around this one. Padding, what is the padding? This is a content of the cell, so a space between this content and the border, cell border, you want a space. So let us put, you can see the space between, have put it, it looks better. So let's go there ahead. Yeah, sometimes you see the different color of each alternative rows, so we can put also during that. We can go tr double colon nth child. And if you want to say the system even, if nth child of even, what to do? Change the background color, like gray. You can say you can do f2 f2 f2. This can see here, fine. If you add more data, let me add the more data, simply copy paste, and you later on you can change the name. So later here 4, let me put here 4, and you can put here some name here like Line, and change that 4 simply, and refresh this data. You can see the fourth will be also the gray color. Fine, so now we have done it this. Let's go ahead and we talk about more about this. Give a space around, so I want to give around, so we can give the anchor. Let's go this selection anchor of this one. So we'll go to the CSS, write a anchor tag selector, then I say margin right side of that. You can give them 55 pixels and see how it looks. So some distance guys to cover this one. So you can see here something distance has come. You can see distance has come here. To increase the size of this icons also you can do it. So what to increase? So you can see what is the selector. So this icon is here, these are icons. What is the selector class name? We have a class name called the glyph icon. So you can copy this class, and I can also change the color of that on, and also change the size of that. So let me first, this is a common class for all. You can see this glyph icon is all are there. So you can copy this one which is here, so I can use that class and change the font size. So font size, because this is a font, is not pictures, is icons, which is a font, 20 pixel. You can reduce and increase up to your choice. You can see this have increased, it will increase. Now you can increase. Now you can change the color if you want. So we can go there, and what is the class? You can see we have a different class for if you use this class to change the same color, it will become same color. So we have a different colors, so we can go for print different color. Let us go dot print. You can say color, because it's a font color, so no background color. We can say it is a like green. Likewise, same thing you can do for what you have for edit. So copy this class icon and go to, and you can make it here color is blue. Likewise, we can copy paste, and if I'm here and make it this one is trash, this is trash class. Guys, you can see, go to the your browser and refresh it. Okay, you can see different color has appeared. If you like this, you can go ahead. Now if I want to rest my pointer over this print, in print icons or edit icons, and this one, it should glow, it should glow. So if you make it, add that effects when, so when it will glow when we rest our pointer over this icon, so it should glow. So let us put in the hover. So let me copy this one class, this printer, copy, go down and put over box shadow. You can put it has a different kind of parameter. So a horizontal offset no, vertical offset 0, blur is a 5 pixel, a spread is a 4 pixels, and color is according to, so printer is green, so green, let us put green. Like that you can copy paste and you can change it, different class. So we can put it here, like we can put it here edit, because this is edit class, and we can make it because edit is blue, so you can make it blue. And same thing, we can copy paste here new one, and we change it here trash, and then change the trash red is red color. Go to the browser and refresh your work. Now you can rest your pointer, you can see how it comes. Okay, so now what we can do, it is coming, but it's coming immediately. So what we can do, we can improve better. So just go there and improve it, like a transition is 0.6 seconds, and also you can put the border radius, that's make looks better, radius to like a 4 pixels. And then copy paste for all the three, copy, because this is also we can copy paste in below one, this one for the trash edit hover, and then go to the browser, refresh it, then you can see how it looks. You can see the border is very smooth, smoothly it's coming everywhere. Go and add the filter, on the top. So for that let us go back to the code, HTML, and we need to include something here in the top here. So let us go and put the division, and division we put input, input type text. You can give the ID is here my input, because I will use this ID, and placeholder search for names, and let us go up and refresh. You can see on the top left corner something has come. So when I search here Kundan, this Kundan should be searched automatically, auto filter in the table will shrink and expand according to the keyword. Okay, how to do, we'll do the JavaScript. So let us modify this design first. So let me do it. Let me include also one of the class which is for which will help us for bring the search, search icon. You can see which is under the bootstrap min.css. So I have added here this line, this I for icon, and then class everything. You can see this one has come on the top here. We are going to change this, design this input box. So let's go to this. What is the name of this? We have my input, so let us copy this one, my inputs. Go to the CSS. Since it is ID, so hash my inputs, let us do and increase the width of the to the 200 pixels, then height is 50 pixels. Check there, you can see increase the box. Let us go there, and you can increase again here height, font size you can make it to the 20 pixels, padding around the content which looks better. You can see now search has some space in the beginning. So now we can go ahead and put also a border radius to looks better. So we can see it margin up to below down 10 pixels. Then we can see border radius to this 10 pixel, which are a standard. Fine, you can see. Let us put the border color also. So let us put border which is a one, you can say 2 pixels width of the border, solid. Then color is dark orange, it depends, black or by, okay, simply anything that you can to see it. So you can see become dark orange. So far we have done. So now we are going to write a JavaScript. When we write here Kundan and all, it should search automatically. So let's go and see what things we need to add it. So we have already done here input, which is a input. So we are going to create a new file, and we are going to include the JavaScript file. So create a new file, save this file. So guys, I have given the file name, save the new file name. So what you have to do here, you have to write a function. What will happen when I search, actually when we type the name here like this one, let me show you another one, like this is ready-made Kundan, it should come here. So what will happening when I'm typing and leaving the key up, then system is searching something. If it's not matching, not matching. So we are going to include the events on this one. So this was a demo video. Let me, in the current one is not working, so let me show you here again. This one is not working. So we are going to add the events in this this input box. So let us go to the code and go to the HTML code, and you have this is your input type. So I'm going to say here on the last, here you can give on key up. What should happen? So you can call the function name that you wish to have. You can create any function that you can say. You can call the search function, which is user defined. You are going to search. Okay, this function will be called on the key press, on key up, when you release the key. So we need to include this file, this JavaScript file, which is still blank. We need to include it here. So we are going to include this, guys. So you can write this code here, this code. So now when once you key press the key up, the search function will be called. So what we are going to do, we are going to write here in auto search JavaScript function search. This function will be called, and then you have to declare a variable, which is a very important. Declare a variable for input that you will part, filter that you will filter from the table. Then the table, these are required variables that we need to create. Tr, because we have a table row, we are going to read all the table row. Td, I. So let's go and first of all read the input from. So what your input, we are going to store the input here. To what we are going to document, what is the meaning of document? Document where that get element by id, and you are going to get element by id. So this, can you see, this is the input box for you, search input box here. So you are going to write here, this is id. So that's why we are writing here id. So you can copy this one just to avoid the mistake. So I copied this one, this input, and paste it here. So I'm going to say that tell, okay, read that one, okay, fine. Now you are going to filter it. So let us go filter. In the filter, you can write here input. If you want to avoid the case sensitive, means you put uppercase, lower case, system doesn't matter. So internally we are going to do that one, uppercase. So whatever you will put inside, it will be converted to now this input. So this is inputs you are reading here. So you are reading the value of that input that you are passing here, and you are converting to the uppercase. Okay, this is just to avoid the and then another side again will convert into uppercase. To avoid the case sensitive, you type lowercase or uppercase, system will search. If you don't want to, if you want to search as a case sensitive, lower means lower, then you don't use the uppercase. Okay, don't use this uppercase, just remove it. Now we go to add the table document. We are going to read the tables here. Get element by by tag name or by id. Get element by id here. Then what is your table name? Table name is, id name is my table. You can see here in your code. So let us go back, copy and double quote and paste it. Fine. Now JavaScript know your table as well. Let us go now read the rows of the table. So we have a table. Just now we have created this variable table, and we have assigned to that variable. So table dot get element by tag, element by tag name. What is the tag name? Because we have not given idea of that, the tag name is tr. What is the tag name? This is a tr. So let us go here, tr, and we are doing that. What we have to do here, we have to loop through. You have to loop through. These are the comments I'm writing for your guidance. Loop through, that is the what we can do it here. So let us go here, loop it, for loop. In the for loop we write I equal to 0. Then we are going to read the tr length, this tr, because you are reading this how many in your table, how many length, how many columns you have. It system will go dynamically, length length plus. So we will read each row. Okay, fine, opening. So now in the td, we are going to td variables we have defined here. Check it out here, td. We are going to say here tr of I for each row. One row can have many td. So th of I for 0 row, or for the first row, which td you want to access. So get by tag name. So tag name you have a td because this is a TD where the TD value is there. TD is the place where is the TD is the place where is the value. So in TD0 we have a serial number, TD1 we have a name, TD array. 2 we have a reg number, and TD4 1 2 3 we have a 3 we have a the department, something like this. So TD. So you are going to say the which row. So we are talking about the name, so name is at 1 in index. If you talk about the reg number, then it is 2. If you talk about the department, then it is a course or department, this is 3. Likewise guys, so you can change according to your choice. So now if now you're checking TD, then what you're going to do here, text text value, which is this variable I have created here. You can see in the top text variable value and check it. TD dot text content and is these are a function we have it here. Text is a content, and or is a or TD dot inner text. If you have these are things here, just put it there, either this inner text content or inner text, and check if text value that you're comparing to uppercase dot index of which one, filter, the one you have filter up. This is the value you have filtering, this one, filter greater than -1. If it is true, just take it at tr of I dot display nothing. Fine. Else, as you can say, tr of I dot style display equal to fine. So let us go and put it like this. For so far so good, I think so. There is no problem here. Go up, refresh this. Okay guys, so let's search Kundan. Not working. So let me try to check it out. What is the problem happening here? So guys, hello guys, this is the problem I had it. So you can go there, you can check that I was not doing the conditional statement of the loop. So I have to write I less than tr dot length. Okay, so thereafter you can cross check if you have any mistakes. Full code of the JavaScript, and then when I click on see I'm writing on key up. When you are typing anything, when you release the key on up, you are calling the JavaScript function called the search. Since this JavaScript function the file is included, so system will check function search, and search, they will search and they will do all those things. I have explained you in the video. So thank you guys. This is our demo we have completed. You can see, you can searching by name. I can search Alex and enjoy. So guys, if you like my video and if you have not subscribed my channels, you can subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icons. So guys, see you next video. Bye bye.